ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਜਸਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਮੈਨੇਜਰ ਹੈਗਾ। ਤੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁਣ ਅਨਦਰ ਬੈਚ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੌਰੀ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਫੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਆ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਕਰਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਿ ਮਤਲਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ। ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਕਰ ਹੀ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਕਰਤਾ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ YouTube ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲਿੰਕ ਭੇਜ ਦੇਣਾ। ਸੋ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਇਹਦੀ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਸੈਂਡ ਨਾ ਕਰਿਓ ਹਨਾ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ। I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about Sikhya. So Sikhya is a skill development center for newcomers, especially international students. ਆਪਾਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ 1 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, actually year and a half, to help international students grow in their careers. Whether you need mentors, you want to do networking in your field, so we have all sort of services in place. You can walk in, you can have one-to-one services for your resume building, cover letter, interview preparation, for your LinkedIn profiles. From that all the way up to career counseling, we have support for everyone and for everything. All you need to do is you can call us or send us an email on info@sikhya.ca. And this is first class of second batch first class for the French. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ already calendar ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ add ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੋਣੀ ਆ, so we will have another class tomorrow and then next Saturday Sunday and the Saturday Sunday after that, so it will be in your calendar. And this is going to be a continuous class. Please try not to miss it, but if you still miss it, then you can still find the YouTube recording. We'll send you the link soon. And now I will ask Nitika to start the session. If you have any questions, you can send message in chat. And Sarishti is also here in the Zoom meet. She will be able to answer all of your questions. If not me, thank you. Nitika, you can start. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Nitika. So let me introduce you. First of all, I come from India and I have passed my TEF examination, which is required to get the PR of Canada. I got CLB C1. So and I am DELF B2 certified trainer. I have been teaching French for last 3 years. So today we will do some basics of the TEF examination, like what is it and how it can help you to get your PR. So TEF examination is thus the evaluation de français, which is recognized by the immigration. So if you clear TEF examination, then you can get 50 points extra in your CRS score. So it will increase 50 points. And moreover, there is one another category which is called francophone category, and that category is same like another PNP DVOS. ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਆਪਣੀ ਐਕਸਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਐਂਟਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਹੀ ਅਲੱਗ ਹੈ। ਫੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 350 ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਵੀ ਬਣਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ CLB 7 ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਟੈਫ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, then you are eligible for francophone category. ਓਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ 350 ਸਕੋਰ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਬਾਵਜੂਦ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ PR ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 500 ਪੁਆਇੰਟਸ ਹੀ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ 450 ਪੁਆਇੰਟਸ ਹੀ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆ, ਚਾਹੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 350 ਜਾਂ 400 ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਫ੍ਰੈਂਕੋਫੋਨ ਕੈਟੇਗਰੀ ਦਾ ਡਵੋ 400 ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ with 70 with those 50 points, then you are eligible for francophone category. So this is one of the easiest options these days to get your PR. So there are 4 modules, same like IELTS: reading, listening, writing and speaking. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਸੇਮ ਉਦਾਂ ਹੀ 4 ਮੋਡਿਊਲਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਲਿਸਨਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 40 ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਐਂਡ ਈਚ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਕੈਰੀ 60 ਮਾਰਕਸ। ਦੈਨ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਇਹ 1 ਆਵਰ ਦਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਐਂਡ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਆਬਜੈਕਟਿਵ। ਯੂ ਨੀਡ ਨਾਟ ਟੂ ਰਾਈਟ ਐਨੀਥਿੰਗ, देयर विल बी 4 ਆਪਸ਼ਨਸ ਐਂਡ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਚੂਜ਼ ਵਨ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਆਪਸ਼ਨਸ। ਓਕੇ, ਤਾਂ 40 ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਆਣਗੇ ਸੇਮ ਲਾਈਕ ਆਇਲਸ ਓਨਲੀ। ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰਕ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ 4 ਆਪਸ਼ਨਸ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਮਾਰਕ ਵਨ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ। ਐਂਡ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਯੂ ਨੀਡ ਨੋਟ ਟੂ ਰਾਈਟ ਐਨੀਥਿੰਗ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਆਬਜੈਕਟਿਵ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਆਣਗੇ, ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਮਾਰਕ ਵਨ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ। And there will be 50 questions which you have to attempt in 60 minutes. And then writing. In writing, there are 2 parts in TEF examination. This is called comprehension écrite. Listening is called comprehension oral, comprehension écrite, comprehension écrite, and expression orale. Expression orale is your speaking. You have to present two tasks. Same ਜਿੱਦਾਂ IELTS ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ, there are 3 tasks in IELTS, but ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 2 ਹੀ ਟਾਸਕ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, task 1 and task 2. And task 1 carries 5 minutes, task 2 carries 10 minutes. Let's discuss about speaking. Speaking ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟਾਸਕ 1 ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਟਾਸਕ 1 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ ਐਡਵਰਟਾਈਜ਼ਮੈਂਟ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਐਡਵਰਟਾਈਜ਼ਮੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮੀਨਰ ਤੋਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਛਣੇ ਆ. ਫੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ, there is one advertisement to join the dance class. I will show you one of the pattern that how task 1 looks like. Par exemple, c'est le sujet de partie 1. This is the subject of part 1. While doing our classes, I will try to speak in French also, but immediately I will translate it in English or Punjabi. I hope everyone is comfortable with Punjabi also. So, c'est le sujet 1. This is the subject 1. Redécouvrez la photographie. In this, there is one advertisement. For example, if you want to learn how to do the photography, you can join these classes. So this is one advertisement. After reading this advertisement, you have to ask some questions to the examiner about those classes. So what type of questions will you ask? You will ask like where these classes are situated, where is your organization, how can I enroll, how many students will be there, and is it flexible? Can I have morning classes? Can I have evening classes? Can I have weekend classes? Do you provide online classes also? Do you provide the discount also? If we are 3 students, in that case, can you give us some discount? What are the formalities? How can I join? Do I submit my photograph also? Is there any form which I should fill? Can I read some comments of your previous clients? Do you have online site? So these are the questions which you will ask from the examiner, right? So those questions will be posed in English, in French, sorry. Par exemple, vous pouvez poser la question. Bonjour madame, je m'appelle Nitika, je vous posais la question concernant l'annonce que j'ai lue dans votre journal Redécouvrir la photographie et je suis très intéressée dans cette annonce. Est-ce que vous avez quelques minutes à me donner, s'il vous plaît? It means, hi ma'am, my name is Nitika. I read your advertisement which is called Redécouvrir la photographie. Do you have some time to give me the response, please? Then she will say yes. After that, you will start posing the questions. D'accord, merci madame. Ma première question est, où se trouve votre école de photographie? Where is your school of photography? OK? Et la deuxième question est, il y aura combien des étudiants, madame? There will be how many students? तो ऐसे करके आपको questions 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, you are supposed to ask 10 to 12 questions. So this is about task 1. Similarly, आपका task 2 होता है. Task 2 is entirely different from task 1. Task 1 आपका formal है, right? Formal means examiner will pretend the role of the person who has published this announce. But task 2 जो होता है speaking का, that is informal. Informal मतलब examiner will act as a role of your friend in task 2 of speaking. That we will discuss some another day. So this is about task 1. So how can you practice French language? So definitely you are starting this language from scratch. Okay. So on an average, if you want to get CLB 7 in TEF examination, in that case, it would take approximately 10 months to 1 year. Okay. 10 months to 1 year, that is an average time frame which will help you to crack the TEF examination with CLB 7. CLB 7 होता है आपका PR के लिए, but there are some students जिनकी अभी PR बिल्कुल ही, जिनकी जो वर्क परमिट है वो बिल्कुल एक्सपायर होने वाला है, जैसे 5 महीने रह गए, 6 महीने रह गए उनके वर्क परमिट को. So in that case, you need to score CLB 5. CLB 5 आपका होता है टू एक्सटेंड योर वर्क परमिट. ठीक है, CLB 5 से आपका सिर्फ वर्क परमिट एक्सटेंड होगा, आपको PR नहीं मिलेगी. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. ठीक है, तो एक तरह से आप ये लगा लो कि यू विल गेट सम एक्स्ट्रा टाइम टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द CLB 7। तो CLB 5 के लिए आपको चाहिए होते हैं 6 to 7 month, approximately 5 to 6 month, I can say, if you are hardworking, if you are continuous, if you are dedicated towards your study. टेफ एग्जामिनेशन क्लियर करने के लिए आपको कंटिन्यू होना पड़ेगा। कंटिन्यू का मतलब है डेली यू हैव टू डू एक्सरसाइजेज विच वी कवर इन द क्लास। ओके, एक्सरसाइजेस आपको करनी है। आफ्टर द एक्सरसाइजेस यू हैव टू वॉच द यूट्यूब वीडियोस, some basic YouTube videos. For example, you can see some vocabulary, the basic vocabulary, how to pronounce the different things, just to enhance your knowledge. Third thing, you have to be positive, ठीक है, determined when है। So these are the things which you need to clear your TEF examination। ये नहीं है कि आपने एक दिन क्लास लगाई, 5 दिन आपने कुछ नहीं किया और सैटरडे को आप फिर क्लास लगाने आ गए, बट आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा क्योंकि आपने पुराना कुछ रिवाइज नहीं किया। आई गेव यू सम ग्रामर एक्सरसाइजेस बट यू डिडंट डू। आपने जो क्लास में किया, मैंने करवाया था, आपने सिर्फ वही देखा। नेक्स्ट 5 दिन बाद आप आए, आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा। देन यू विल से मैम इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट। But the students who practice daily, who are able to give at least 2 hours every day, will find it very easy. ठीक है, जैसे पंजाबी, अगर आपने पंजाबी इनिशियली बेसिक से सीखनी है तो उसमें भी आपको हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, एवरीथिंग रिक्वायर्स एफर्ट, थिंग इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट, दिस इज वी विच कैन मेक इट इजी बाय अवर एफर्ट्स। Okay, there will be mock exams also. For example, today we cover any of the grammar topic, I will give you mock tests also. Okay, proper material will be shared with you, the material in which will help you to do the grammar exercises, which will help you to do the listening, reading, writing and speaking. Proper material will be shared. Is it clear till now what is about TEF examination and how it will help you to increase your CRA score? If anyone has any question, you can let me know. You can raise your hand and let me know. Ok, all clear. ठीक है. Ok, maintenant nous allons faire les salutations. Salutation means होता है greeting. Vous pouvez répéter avec moi. You can repeat after me. Salutation. Salutation. Peut-être que je ne suis pas capable de vous entendre. I am not able to hear you because you all are mute, but you can repeat. Okay, salutation. Salutation. Salutation means होता है greetings. La première est bonjour. 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 Bonjour means good morning. Bonjour. आपको स्टार्टिंग में लगेगा कि प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज वेरी डिफरेंट, वेरी, आपको किसी किसी बच्चों को डिफिकल्ट भी लगेगी, बट बिलीव मी, when you will be habitual of these words, when you will be habitual of the pronunciation, we will cover the pronunciation classes also in the classes, then after some time you will be very comfortable in the French pronunciation. ठीक है, बट उसके लिए आपको कंटिन्यू होना पड़ेगा। और आपकी जैसी वी आर नॉट हैबिचुअल, हमारी जीभ को आदत नहीं है ना दूसरी लैंग्वेज को। ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ, वी आर वेरी मच कंफर्टेबल इन पंजाबी। बट अगर ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ कैनेडियन बॉर्न ਨੂੰ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲ, हाउ विल ही स्पीक? ही विल फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट। ठीक है, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲਣੀ ਬੜੀ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟ ਲੱਗੇਗੀ। ਸਿਮਿਲਰਲੀ ਫ੍ਰੈਂਚ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜੀਭ ਨੂੰ ਆਦਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਹਨਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਜੀਭ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੀਂ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਬੋਲਣ ਲਈ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਬਟ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਜਾਓਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜੀਭ ਨੂੰ ਆਦਤ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਰਟ ਹੈ ਹਨਾ, ਇਹ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਮੇਰਾ ਪਾਰਟ ਹੈ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਗ੍ਰੈਬ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਏਗਾ। then you will be able to speak those words. So you can speak with me. Bonjour. Bonjour means good morning. The next word is bonsoir. 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 Good evening. Bonsoir. The next word is salut. 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 Salut means hi. The last pronunciation in French language is always silent. ਤਾਂ ਐਸੇ ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸੈल्यूट ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲਦੇ, ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ? salut, because T is silent. Okay. Only 4 consonants will be spoken. C, L, F and R. C, L, F and R. ਓਕੇ, ਸਿਰਫ ਇਹੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲਾਸਟ ਕੌਨਸੋਨੈਂਟ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੇ, ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਥੋੜੇ ਲਾਸਟ ਕੌਨਸੋਨੈਂਟ ਸਾਇਲੈਂਟ ਰਹਿਣਗੇ। ਸੋ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ como ça va, como, ਸੀ ਮੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲੋਗੇ, como, como ça va means how are you, como ça va, the response is ça va bien, merci, ça va bien, merci, merci, au revoir, au revoir, au revoir. Anyone who wants to speak all these words can raise your hand. You can unmute yourself only one by one, then you can speak. Who is volunteer?
I can
Hi,
speak.
I would like.
Okay.
Okay.
What is your name?
Avninder.
Avninder. Okay, Avninder will speak, rest other can be mute. Okay, speak.
Bonjour, bonsoir, salut, como ça va? Ça va bien, merci, merci, au revoir. Actually, last one is difficult
Wait.
for me.
Au revoir. Au
Au
revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Because जो R है ना, R को जो फ्रेंच में हम क्या बोलते हैं, ख. So it becomes au revoir.
Okay.
C'est clair pour vous? Is it
select
clear?
move.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
C'est clair?
Yep. Yeah. See.
देखो, see, if I will speak any language in French, I will immediately translate. तो आप ये मत बोलना कि अरे ये पता नहीं क्या, because I will immediately translate in English और पंजाबी, ठीक है? बट जैसे वही चीज रिपीट होगी ना, वही सेंटेंस रिपीट होगा, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा, अच्छा इसका मतलब ये है। Anyone else? Just Jagvinder, you can speak. You can unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Salut.
Salut.
Salut. Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Merci. Last one is very difficult for me.
Au revoir. Au
Au
revoir. Au revoir.
au revoir.
Revoir. Au revoir.
Au
Revoir. Bois. Ua. OI becomes ua. Au revoir. Boire.
Hello.
au revoir.
Au revoir. Yes. Anyone else? Prabjot, you can speak.
Please repeat
Bonjour.
again.
Bonjour,
Hmm.
bonjour,
Bonjour.
salut, bonjour, bonjour, salut, comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci, merci, au revoir.
Very good. Bonjour,
Thank you.
bonsoir, salut, comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci.
Merci.
Oui, merci, au revoir.
Au revoir.
Oh,
Oui,
oh.
bravo. Okay, one more. Aman, you can start.
Yeah, जी.
Yeah, Aman, you
Okay,
can
so-
unmute.
Yes. Is it audible now?
Yeah,
Okay. How are you doing?
yeah, I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Good. So, bonjour, bonsoir, salut, comment ça va bien, merci,
Merci.
au revoir,
Au revoir.
au revoir.
Bravo.
Very
Okay, so okay. Le. It is called le. Because last consonant is silent.
good.
Le, salutation. Le,
Solution.
tation. Le salutation. Tion becomes sion.
See.
Sion. ले साल्यूतासियों, द
ऐसा
ग्रीटिंग्स। ले मीन्स होता है द ग्रीटिंग्स। bonjour,
bonjour bonjour
bonjour madame,
bonjour madam
bonjour ma, बिकॉज जो ए है ना, ए जो है फ्रेंच में वो ए नहीं होता, वो क्या होता है आ,
madam
सो इट बिकम्स मा, दा, एंड ई होता है फ्रेंच में जैसे अनार, मादाम, सो इट बिकम्स मादाम। bonjour madame, hi ma'am, bonjour monsieur,
bonjour monsieur
bonjour monsieur,
monsieur
bonjour
Rajiv.
monsieur.
Rajiv, could you please keep yourself on mute?
okay sir
Your mic is on mute. Thank you.
Okay, so it is bonjour monsieur, bonjour monsieur, 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 monsieur मतलब सर, bonjour monsieur, salut. Salut is an informal way of saying hi, but bonjour is a formal way of saying hi. Par exemple, si vous adressez quelqu'un qui est supérieur que vous, par exemple votre professeur ou vos parents, dans ce cas, vous pouvez dire bonjour. Cependant, si vous adressez la personne qui garde la relation informelle avec vous, dans ce cas, vous pouvez dire salut. If you address someone who keeps formal relationship with you, in that you can say bonjour. For example, your professor, your teacher, your parents. In that case, you can say bonjour. But salut you can say if someone keeps informal relationship. For example, your friend, your sibling. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Bye. Au revoir. A bientôt. A bientôt. Because last T is silent. A bientôt. A bientôt means see you soon. A bientôt. A demain. A demain. Demain means होता है tomorrow. और अगर आगे आ लग जाए so it becomes see you tomorrow. À demain. Je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. अकेला désolé का मतलब होता है sorry. Sorry. je का मतलब होता है I. suis मतलब होता है am. désolé मतलब sorry. je suis désolé. je suis désolé. I am sorry. je suis désolé. इसकी साउंड ज आएगी, स नहीं आएगी, ज बिकॉज जब एस के आगे वोयल हो, एस के पीछे भी वोयल हो, तो एस की साउंड क्या बन जाती है, ज सो इट बिकम्स je suis désolé. je suis désolé. The next one, bon weekend. bon means होता है हैप्पी या गुड. वीकेंड गुड वीकेंड. वीकेंड नहीं बोलोगे, वीकेंड लाइक द दरवाजा, द दवात. ओके, इट इज bon weekend. While mute only you have to pronounce all those words which we are doing. The next one is bon vacances. Bon vacances on. बिकॉज जो an है ना, an आपका ओ बन जाता है ओ. vacances. va कौन कौन स. bon vacances. Bon vacances. It means happy holidays. I will repeat once more. Bon vacances. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Happy good evening. इसको बोलते हैं bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir. Because OI becomes OA. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. OI becomes OA. OA. जो भी हम वर्ड कर रहे हैं यू कैन मेक द नोट, और जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है यू कैन राइट इन हिंदी और पंजाबी और वट एवर योर मदर लैंग्वेज इज, तो उसके साथ में आप लिख लो ताकि क्लास के बाद यू विल बी एबल टू रिवाइज. Bonsoir. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. It means good night. Bonne nuit. UI becomes oui. UI becomes oui. So it becomes bonne nuit. Nuit and T is silent. Bonne nuit. Good night. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Have a good day. Okay, only raise your hand. Which picture shows bonne nuit? Okay, Aman. Aman.
Last one. The
Last one. Yes.
for
Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Yeah. Bonjour. Comment ça va? Bonjour. Comment ça va? Bonjour means hi. Jugvinder, you can reply. Comment ça va? What will be the reply of comment ça va? We have done it before. Yeah, what will be the reply of comment ça va?
Come see Mercy.
Sorry.
It's how are you, I guess. Yeah.
Ça va bien.
Sabavia. Oh.
Ça va bien. Okay.
bonjour, ça va bien, merci.
Yes. Bonjour. Je vais bien. Merci. मतलब होता है य का मतलब मैंने बताया था. Anyone who knows, just raise your hand. I will tell who will reply. I, yes. Je vais bien. I am doing good. Merci. Okay. Congratulations is called félicitations. 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 Yeah, please mute yourself. I don't know who is speaking. Félicitations. Okay. Felicita, because T-I-O-N becomes Sion. Félicitations. The next one is bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire means happy birthday. Yeah. Happy birthday को बोलते हैं bon anniversaire. But in English, bon anniversary, happy anniversary means happy marriage anniversary, right? But in French, bon anniversaire, yeah, joyeux anniversaire. Joyeuse. Joyeux anniversaire, it means happy birthday. Bon anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire. You buy any cake, तो केक पे लिखा होता है joyeux anniversaire, bon anniversaire. In French also. Okay. If you meet someone, you can say enchanté. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Mm-hmm. Enchante. Enchanté. Okay, the self-assessment. Just raise your hand. आप अपने आप नहीं बोलोगे. I will tell you who will reply. Je vais bien. Okay, just go. You can reply.
Should I say Jevibia means I'm doing fine.
I'm doing good. Yes. Bonjour, Kevin. Vous pouvez me répondre, s'il vous plaît? You can reply me.
Bonjour means good morning, yeah, or hello.
Hi. Yeah. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Nab. Nabfit.
It means good evening.
Mm-hmm.
Bonsoir.
Yeah. Merci. Merci. Rajvinder.
It's thank you.
Bonne nuit. Hush.
Bonne nuit means good night.
Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good evening. Yeah, I'm sorry, मैंने बोल दिया. It's okay. Okay, bon weekend. Bon weekend, hush.
Bon weekend means good weekend. Happy
Happy
weekend.
weekend, yeah. Adama.
Adama means see you tomorrow.
Yep. Je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. Just, you can reply. Je suis désolé.
I'm sorry.
Yes. Okay. Enchanté.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Joyeux anniversaire.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Now I will ask you some, I will say in English and you have to respond me in French. Okay. Thank you.
Merci.
No, only raise your hand. I will tell who will reply.
Okay.
How are you? Guneet?
Comment ça va?
I am good. Nafit?
Je vais bien.
Hi, sir. Karam?
Bonjour, monsieur.
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 Hi, madam. Guneet? Guneet? Okay, Karam, you can reply.
Bonjour, madam.
Bonjour, madame.
Madam. Yes. Okay. Nice to meet you. Abhijit?
Enchante.
Yes. See you tomorrow. Harsh?
Adama.
See you soon. See you soon. Rajvinder?
Abianto.
Happy birthday. Mm, 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 mm. He- Aman? Happy birthday.
Je veux anniversaire.
Joyeux anniversaire.
Joyeux anniversaire.
Joyeux anniversaire, ou vous pouvez aussi dire bon anniversaire. You can also say bon anniversaire.
Bon anniversaire.
C'est clair? You can say oui. Yes के लिए होता है oui. You can say oui, madame. Yes, ma'am. Okay. The next one is good night. Rajvinder?
Bonne nuit.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Bonjour.
Yes. Hi. Aman?
Salut.
Hi. हाँ, hi को आप bonjour भी बोल सकते हैं, salut. Good morning and hi. मतलब when we greet someone, we can say bonjour, whether it is good morning, okay? The next one is congratulations.
Félicitations.
Félicitations.
Félicitations. Yeah.
Okay. So now we are going to do alphabets in French. Donnez-moi un instant, s'il vous plaît. Give me 1 minute, please. Les alphabets. Les alphabets means the alphabets. The alphabets are same from 1 to Z. However, the pronunciation is different. A, B, C, D, O. O, like anar. F, G is like J. G को आप क्या बोलोगे? J. Ash. It is ash. Ash. I is called E, like Imli. E. J is called, anyone who knows what is J? Raise your hand. Okay, Naprit, you can tell me. J is called?
It's G.
G, very good. K, L, M, N, O, P. See, L, M, N, O. It is same like in English. L, M, N, O. And P is called P. P is called P. Q, R, R. S, T. T, T. Like तरबूज लिख के ऊपर एक ही मात्रा, ओके? T. U, U, U. V, W, X, Y, इक्वेक, जेड को आप बोलते हो जेद, 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 ok? Maintenant, nous allons répéter encore fois. A, A, B, B, C, C, D। ਜਸਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਜੀ, ਮੈंने ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਫੋਟੋ ਭੇਜੀ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਜਸਟ ਟੂ ਮੇਕ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਨੰਸੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਈਜ਼ੀਅਰ ਅਲਫਾਬੈਟਸ ਦੀ। A, B, C, D, O, 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 F, G, H, E। I को बोलते हैं E, like E, इमली। For example, my name is Nitika. If I have to tell the alphabets of my name, I will say N, E, T, E, K, A. This is how I will pronounce my name. N, E, T, E, K, A. Because A is A. E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, X, Y, Z. Y and Z. Okay? Raise your hand who wants to speak. मैं दो दो तीन तीन सुनूंगी words. Okay, जगविंदर,
Yes, ma'am.
आप पहले तीन की प्रोनाउंसिएशन बताओ।
A,
आ,
B,
आ,
A, B, C.
हाँ जी, राइट। अभिजीत, नेक्स्ट थ्री।
D, E, F.
नो, दे, दे, ओ,
D,
ओ,
O,
एफ।
F.
ओके, राइट। नेक्स्ट, हर क्या नाम है, हर हरमनजीत,
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट थ्री।
It's J, H, A,
ई,
E, G.
ओके, या जी, ओके। नेक्स्ट राजविंदर, नेक्स्ट थ्री।
It's KLM.
दोबारा, कैन यू रिपीट?
QLM.
का,
Sorry. KLM.
का, एल, एम, वी, ब्रावो। द नेक्स्ट वन।
NOP.
एन, ओ, पे, वी, ब्रावो। द नेक्स्ट वन। ओ, एक मिनट, मैं नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट को चूज करूंगी, है ना? यू कैन म्यूट। अभिजीत,
Can you tell me for Q? I forgot it.
क्यू,
Q, Air,
एख,
Air,
एस,
S.
वी, ब्रावो। E l'ho dio E, the another student is Harleen.
Yes, ma'am.
Harleen, there is so much noise, you can mute. Okay, Kavanbir, you can say the next three.
Sorry, I forgot from which alphabet I'm supposed to say.
Q, R, S. Okay, the next one.
A,
हम्म
U,
हम्म वे
way.
ते यू वे ओके
W, yeah, okay.
yes next is Jagvinder the next W
What we need to say to W? I don't.
W
Double
W
way. X,
Y
Y,
Z
Z.
Oui, bravo. Okay, now I will ask you some questions. Is there any doubt? You have any doubt about French? Like anyone who has any doubt, you can ask me. Just raise your hand about the pattern, about preparation, about timing, anything.
Double way.
W W
Double.
ये वे है ना, ये हो गया मतलब डबल वी, तो बन गया दुबल वे.
Okay.
हाँ जी, anyone who has any question? Okay,
Ma'am,
Harpreet, you can ask me first. What is your question? Harpreet, you can unmute and you can ask your question. Okay, if you don't have any question, Rajvinder, you raised your hand. What is your question? Karan and
So,
Harsh? Hmm.
ma'am,
You have any question? You raised your hand.
are we going to get any kind of material, like these slides or any other material for
हाँ,
studying
yes.
homework?
ये जो आपकी क्लासेस हैं वो रिकॉर्ड हो रही हैं, है ना? So you will get the recorded classes. And secondly, material I will provide. ठीक है, जो मैंने बोला था कि you will get the material for exercises, grammar books, everything you will get.
Thank you so much.
Anyone else? Prabjot, what is your question?
Yeah, I want to continue same question, which was asked now. What is the source medium? How we get this? We get mail, or you guys made any WhatsApp or
वो जसप्रीत जी
community or
आपको,
something?
हाँ जसप्रीत सर आपको बता देंगे, ठीक है, कि आपको रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस कैसे मिलेंगी, और मैं मटेरियल शेयर कर दूंगी.
Can you please come again?
Hello,
please
am
come.
I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
you will get the recorded classes also, and I will also share the material from where you will study.
So anywhere we get
Your voice is lagging. I'm not able to hear you properly.
am I
Ma'am,
audible?
he is asking you
Do we
the
get
which
it
way
through
we
email?
get the material.
Which way you will get the material?
Yeah, either from WhatsApp or email. How will we get it?
I will share it in a sharing folder. मैं जसप्रीत जी से share कर दूंगी and he will share it with you. Is it
So
okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Jasprit, like I'm not in touch with any Jasprit. Like I'm not sure about.
Okay, no worries. आपको आपसे contact किया जाएगा about that, about the material.
Okay.
Hi,
Okay.
Nitika ji. So is it gonna be
Okay.
by email?
That we will let you know. But आपको material मिल जाएगा, ठीक है?
All right, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so
Perhaps
much.
it will be by email. So the link will be shared. I will share the material.
Okay, and one more question, if you don't mind, like
Mhm.
if I'm allowed to. So the course will be covering till C2 level or B2 level? I mean, just to get an
Yeah.
idea.
So if you want to pass your TEF examination, you need to have B2 higher.
Mhm.
Okay, the B2 higher. So what happens? The grammar is same. ग्रामर आपकी वही होती है B2 तक की, चाहे वो C1 की चाहे वो C2 की, ग्रामर विल बी सेम. डिफरेंस क्या होता है B2 और C1 में? लाइक हाउ फ्लुएंट यू आर, what type of vocabulary you are using, what type of sentence structure you are using. For example, if you are writing any essay in English, IELTS के लिए आप कोई essay लिख रहे हो, तो आपके बैंड कैसे मिलते हैं, 7 या 8 या 9, लाइक हाउ कॉम्प्लेक्स टेंसेस यू आर यूजिंग, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वोकेबलरी यू आर यू यूजिंग सिनोनिम्स, ठीक है, तो उस पे डिपेंड करता है वो सब, C1 C2,
Okay, I got it.
ठीक
Thank
है,
you so much.
yeah,
And with
but you need
regards
to cover till B2, the grammar will be till B2, and after that there will be text specific preparation, listening, reading, writing and speaking. First we will do the basics.
Okay, so basically we will be getting chance to learn the higher level too.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
हाँ जी, any other question?
Thanks for the clarity.
Okay, no worries. So see, it all depends upon you, how much effort do you put, ठीक है.
आपने सेल्फ पेस्ट किया था या फिर कहीं से वो ली थी, कोचिंग ली थी?
See, I took coaching from somewhere for 7 to 8 months, and after that I prepared by myself only, because I came to know how to prepare. ठीक है, जैसे आपको इंग्लिश आ गई, आपको पता है कि कैसे पढ़ना है, ठीक है, आपको पता है कि सेंटेंसेस कैसे बनाने हैं, उसके बाद यू कैन रीड द आर्टिकल्स, राइट, यू कैन रीड, यू कैन राइट, you can listen, you can watch some audios, some videos. So this is how I prepared by myself. जब मुझे पता चल गया, मुझे basic आ गया कि okay, this is how I can read. So it depends upon you, how many articles do you read every day, how much reading do you do every day, how much listening do you do every day, आप कितनी vocabulary daily ढूंढ रहे हो, practice कर रहे हो, it all depends upon you.
Need clarity if I mean, let's say next class that you're going to have, what kind of topics are you gonna do? I mean, the grammar topics or just these basic questions, if we may know, so that I can prepare myself for that class. Also, is it going to be 1 hour class every Saturday and Sunday, or I mean, or 2 hour class, or whatever is the schedule? Can you please just clarify?
It will be Saturday and Sunday, okay, and perhaps it will be 2-hour class, like every day,
Noted.
ठीक है. वैसे
So
जो आपको
basically,
टाइमिंग, हाँ जी, जो
basically
आपको,
today it's still, oh, sorry to cut you. Go ahead, please.
yeah, tell me.
Basically today it's for 1 hour, and onwards it will be 2 hours. Is this what it is?
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
So, yeah, so the link I created, that is for hour and a half, but it depends upon the class, right? Because today you guys are done in almost 1 hour, and then but we can still go for another 30 minutes for the question and answer
Got it.
sessions. So normally, usually it is going to be an hour and a half. Rest depends how many questions are there or what type of homework he give you guys, or it really depends on back and forth communication, right? But at least the class will be from 45 minutes to 1 hour, her regular presentations, and the rest will be the question answers and the back and forth. And some people ask the recordings or the materials. We will send you guys an email, especially the people. I think all of you guys are the ones who registered yesterday, right? Using the Zoom link. We have all of the emails, and I will send you the link of the YouTube recording, and also we'll send you the reading materials, weekly, bi-weekly, whatever. That depends what was covered in the session. We will share accordingly. But to the people who registered yesterday using the Zoom link, I hope that makes sense.
Just I just want to have, I mean, if in the later phase, are you going to make this, this French classes any interactive by creating, like, let's say, Discord group or any other interactive group where we can have speaking practice with my peers, I mean, the other class members, so that it
Yeah,
can improve
that
our
can be an
speaking.
interesting idea. We can make a WhatsApp chat or something, and then if someone wants to join in. But the only thing is, um, the chats are so messy, so much communication, people just sharing random things. But still, if you guys want it, we can create one group. Name it Sekhya Friends, something
For
like
the
that,
later phase, you
and
can
then whoever wants to join in, they can join in, right?
yeah,
But
we
that
can
won't be
see,
mandatory. we
We
won't
can
be
see.
sharing anything important there. Yep.
Mhm. Yeah, we can see how that group goes. If it goes good, then we can continue it. But if we think like it is not that much worthy, because sometimes students do not post the worthy things, then we can decide further, right? Just we can do like that.
Yeah, 100%. We can run it as a pilot project, and I
Yeah.
think that's it for the today.
Okay.
Hopefully, we'll upload a video on YouTube in a day or two. And if you guys have any questions, you can always send us an email at info@Sikha or help@sikha.ca. And thank you everyone for joining in. And tomorrow will
Thank you,
be
everyone.
the second session, but I think Nitika, we will start at 1:30. I think that's what you mentioned.
Yeah, 1:30, yes. At
Okay, yeah, so
1:30.
tomorrow, so yeah, so I won't change the Zoom description. On the
Mhm.
Zoom calendar, it will tell you guys 2 p.m., but guys make sure to attend that, join at 1:30. We'll
Yeah.
start 30 minutes prior to that time, okay? And have a good one.
Okay,
Question,
everyone.
sorry.
Good day. Bye. Take
Yeah.
Sorry,
care.
quick question.
Hello.
Hi, quick
Yes.
question.
Yeah.
So the timing is the EST timing or Atlantic timing? So because it shows me
EST,
on
we are
the
based in Toronto.
IST, yeah.
Halifax. EST.
No, no,
Okay,
EST,
got
I'm
it.
sorry, EST, yeah, EST.
Got it, got it.
Sorry, I
Okay,
have a
because
question.
yeah, because the timing is different, like as per like areas, province wise. So just wanted to confirm.
Yeah, it
Thank you.
is IST.
EST.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm sorry. Again, I
No,
say
no,
IST.
I got it. I got it.
It is
Thank you.
EST, yeah.
I have a question. Like one of my friend also wants to join this class. So can I directly share the link, or is there any way to register?
No, that won't be working for them. They need to actually, I think the best way for them is to send us an email at help@sikha.ca. We will send them the Zoom link, the new one. No, actually, have you seen the initial the Zoom link that we sent you yesterday? You can
Yes.
just copy and paste that link to him, and then he needs to register, and then he will get he can always
Okay, so
join the
if
session.
once I share that link, there will be a another link to register as well, or will it be done by the same link only?
I think it is going to be the same link.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay,
But the only thing
everyone.
is he has to register to join the session.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Okay,
One
G.
more thing.
Okay.
So the link is same every time, right? Every time we join, it's the same link.
It is going, so there's one link that I sent you guys yesterday. That
That's
link
right.
is for the registration. By registering using that link, it will came up into your calendar. And now from now onward, you guys, all you guys need to do is open your calendar and select the booking, which is basically 2 p.m. every Saturday, Sunday. And then you guys can just log in by clicking
Got
on
it.
that link. That will be in your calendar.
Sounds good. Thank you.
I have one concern, Jasprit.
So this is going to be a last question. The rest of
Yeah,
them, please send us an
it's
email.
nothing like just like I'm concerned about one thing, that you
Yep.
made this batch, right? Considering
Yep.
number of people, right, which Nikita can handle, right? So
Mhm.
registering new people, make sure you keep a cap on that, right? Not more than 2 to 3 months,
We will make sure
because
we
we
will make
already
sure we don't have
like
a lot of people.
we all come with same request, and we
Yeah.
all come with our one friend along with us. Then it's gonna be a big mess for all of us, right?
No, that's
That's
true. I mean,
what
if the number start going
nothing
crazy, we
offensive,
will stop adding new people.
Yeah, nothing offensive. It's just like concerned about small batch, good learning. That's it.
Yeah,
No,
I
no,
agree.
that's right. That's right.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good
Okay,
one.
good day. Bye-bye.